Alright, got ourselves a fiberglass mid-roof top. Fits mini trucks, S-10, Rangers, Toyota pickups, the older Toyota pickups, possibly some Tacomas. This one measures 75 inches long, 61 inches wide. It's a mid-roof design, so it's going to have a little bit higher roof line, about 4 inches height. Right there. It's got half sliding windows on the side. Nothing really majorly wrong with this, except we're going to have some clear coat peel on here. We're going to get ran over by a helicopter here. Some clear coat peel. You can kind of see it right there. How visible? It's not really bad. It's not really noticeable. Not a lot of damage on this to show you. The front window is a window boot, so when you push it against the cab, it just pushes up there to seal the rain out. Here's a little bit of the clear coat peel on the front edge right there. Right there. Half slider on this side as well. It's a really good looking unit, just like it's got some clear coat issues there. It's mostly on the top up here. How noticeable it is, I'm not sure from on the camera, but it's mostly up there, a little bit along this edge right here. But from the side of the truck, you can't really see any of that anyway. It's a tri-glass, so it's an older unit. Tri-glass is out of business. Screens on this side is good shape. There's no holes in the screen. Over here, window slides forward. It's got two little Vista windows in the top for skylights. Front window's open. It's got a window boot in it. This screen over here has a small hole in it. Right there. It's not really bad. Screens all look good on this side. Double locking T-handle. So there you go. It's a gray mid-roof design, fiberglass top. It's mini trucks. 75 and a half inches long, 61 inches wide. Rangers S-10, 82 to 04 S-10s, the 82 to 11